University Hospitals of Derby and Burton NHS Foundation Trust, UHDB, provides care for more than 1 million people, serving our communities in southern Derbyshire and southeast Staffordshire. Queen's Hospital Burton-on-Trent is home to a busy emergency department, which is open year-round. The department receives regular handovers of patients from colleagues in the ambulance service outside its main entrance, which has been without a canopy to ensure patients, visitors and colleagues remain protected from the elements for some time. Work was undertaken in conjunction with the Trust's Capital Projects team to design and install a robust steel cantilevered canopy with a polycarbonate roof outside the department while ensuring minimum disruption to the functioning of the department itself. The completed scheme now offers full cover to ambulances, staff and to patients and visitors using the drop-off bays and has been fitted with rainbow-coloured polycarbonate sheets on sections of the roof to highlight UHDB's permanent support for our LGBTQIA+ community who work at and attend our hospitals.